Hey, thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Julio and I am the application engineer here at DesignPoint, and I wanted to put together a video for those of you who are getting your feet wet in SOLIDWORKS simulation. Perhaps you're looking for content online, some free courses. So if you didn't know, SOLIDWORKS simulation does come with a manual. It's a small manual that has some really great content to get to know the software a little bit better. Let me show you how you can access that manual. The first thing you like to do is to make sure that you have your SOLIDWORKS simulation add-in active. So if you don't have your SOLIDWORKS simulation active, you can just go to Tools inside SOLIDWORKS and you can look for add-ins and just simply apply a check mark so that you can activate it. Let's look for SOLIDWORKS simulation. Here you go. So for us, we have it active at the moment. So once that is active, you'll come here to the simulation top menu and you're gonna look for help. Once you click help, you can select the introduction to simulation, and it comes in the format of a PDF. You can simply just browse and gather some of that great content to get you started in SOLIDWORKS simulation.